So the hook was hanging here. I took some extra bridge beam members, two of these 4-foot long pieces, and connected them. So now the boom is probably 3 feet longer. So that if we have the same load, remember we have the through truss hanging from the hook here. If I attach it right now, everything would tip over. It's the weight of the through truss hasn't changed. The distance from the pivot point. Here's the pivot point. It pivots, and the whole crane would rotate. Torque is the force that causes rotation. Just like this, the weight of this, the force of gravity wants to make my arm rotate. Here's the pivot point. The further away it is, the greater the torque, the greater the force that causes the rotation. And it's harder to hold up. Same thing with the crane. If I had the through truss bridge hanging here, the distance is probably another foot. Originally it was hanging here. Let's say that's 1 foot. 1 foot from the center of gravity of the load to the pivot point. Now it's probably 2.5 feet. So the increased distance increases the torque, which would tend to tip the whole thing over. Probably be 2 bricks for counterweight instead of 1.